So here's the rotor. We got it. 3 pieces.
A rotor?
Yeah. That's the cap, that's the rotor. Oh, yeah. So I just busted the top off, and it's really rusty. So it's stuck on there, you weren't getting it off. So it's in a million pieces now. Everything's good. Now we've got the cap here. So what you want to do is pull the center one. You know where that goes. That's for your coil. Is always in the center, right there. Then you want to see which way this cap is facing. So you want to just find out which side. So pick a side. I'm going for the driver's side because the cap has to come out. You can't put both caps in there and put all the new spark plugs. And don't get them wrong, because it will not start if you get them backwards. So I'm going to go with spark plug. This first one here is going to be this one. The wire, that's going to be 1, which is the second one in. So if you need a reference point, there's a tab right here. So this cap is going to fit on just like that. So the one I just took off is this one right here. So the second one will be, it'll skip one and go to the second one, and that's all on the driver's side. So that's the second one right there. And the third one is going to skip one again, so you're going to come over to here, and that's going to be the third one. There we go. And that way you can get the cap out of the way. So you can get the new one on. Just move it out of the way. And this is the third one. And this is the second one. So I'm going to get the new cap up here. This is the third one, which goes right here. This is the second one, which is going to go right here. And make sure you hear them click when you put them on. And this is the third one, which is going to go right here. And then I'm going to get the cap on and get it set in there, which actually, let's move it out of the way. Let's just put our new rotor on since we've got free rein. So when I took the old rotor off, it has a groove. See this groove? And there's a groove in the back side because that's where it came off, was that way. So that rotor went on this way. So the groove was going to go in the back. So the new rotor will go on the same way with the groove. It only goes on one way. Just like that. You heard it click. So this is going to sit down here like that.